panibagong food and good vibes. And today, magluluto tayo ng burger steak. Parang si Jollibee. At gagawin lang natin na madalian pero nakatataam because cooking doesn't have to be hard, it just have to be delicious. Kaya huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's go! Ayan, gagawa muna tayo ng beef stock, kaya may mga buto ng baka tayo dito. Wala tayong ilalagay na kahit ano pampalasa dito. At papakuluan natin ng mga 30 minutes para lumabas talaga yung lasa. Tapos dito sa kabila, prepare na natin yung burger steak. Ang gamit ko dito is lean ground beef. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit yung regular minced beef. Mas preferred ko lang yung lean kasi mas less yung fat niya. Para sa mga seasoning, ground black pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Para sa sauce naman, gagamit tayo ng Worcestershire sauce, mga 1 to 1/2 tablespoon para sa 2 pounds na ground beef. 1 to 1/2 tablespoon yellow mustard, and 1 to 1/2 tablespoon ketchup. Pang binder natin, isang egg, at about half cup na breadcrumbs. Ayan, tapos haluin lang natin mabuti para magsama-sama yung ingredients. Mga tipsy, depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong ingredients para sa burger steak. Pag nagluluto ako nito, iniiba-iba ko rin minsan. Syempre para hindi nakakasawa. Pero for this episode, ito yung susubukan nating ingredients. Ayan, okay na itong burger steak natin. Ngayon, balikan na natin yung beef stock. At ayan, napakabango na, kaya pwede na to. Ngayon, hulmahin na natin tong burger steak. Yan, kukuha ka lang ng portion na kasya sa palad mo. Tapos yan, bibilug-bilugin lang natin. Tapos medyo push ng konti para hindi siya mag-crack kapag prinito na natin mamaya. Yung laki niya, depende na sa inyo mga katipsy, no? Siyempre, kung like ibebenta mo, dapat medyo maliliit lang. At kung marami kayo, like for example, isa-serve mo sa handaan, siyempre yung tamang sukat lang. Dahil homemade naman to at dito lang natin kakainin sa bahay, medyo lalakihan ko yung sukat na sa akin. Yung kapal niya, yung wag masyadong makapal, wag din naman masyadong manipis. Para kapag prinito natin mamaya hindi ma-overcook at hindi din ma-undercook. Kasi baka to, kaya tansyado yung pagluluto nito para maging tender. At ayan, ready na tong burger steak. Simulan na nating magprito. Dito sa pan, naglagay na ako ng olive oil. Yung apoy natin mga katipsy is medium heat lang. At kapag mainit na yung mantika, ilagay na natin yung mga burger steak. At dahil maliit lang tong pan natin, tatlo-tatlo ko lang lulutuin. Syempre para hindi ma-overcrowd. Para maluto siya ng tama. Ito mga katipsy, medyo importante, no? Babalik ta rin natin to 4 to 5 minutes each side. Dahil baka to, dapat tamang lakas ng apoy at tamang oras para maging tender and juicy yung loob. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, brown yung kulay niya. Yan yung gusto nating ma-achieve na color ng meat. Ayan, okay na itong mga beef steak natin. Ngayon naman, gawa na tayo ng sauce. Gagamit tayo ng 3 tablespoon na butter. Ayan, tunawin lang natin yan at kapag tunaw na, ilagay na natin itong hiniwa nating mga white onions. Pwede din naman kayong gumamit ng ibang kulay ng sibuyas. Depende na kung anong preferred nyo. Tapos ilalagay na rin natin dyan yung mushroom. Depende kung anong gusto nyong mushroom mga katipsy. Pero for this episode, gagamit tayo ng creamy mushroom. Kilala din to sa tawag na baby bellas, na usually makikita nyo sa mga grocery stores. Inislice ko lang to ng maninipis. Pero kung hindi available yung fresh mushroom sa area nyo, pwede naman kayong gumamit yung nasa can. Igigisa lang natin tong sibuyas at mushroom ng mga 6 to 8 minutes para maluto siya at maging golden brown. Ayan, kapag medyo golden brown na siya, ibig sabihin luto na to. Pwede na natin simulan gumawa ng sauce. Kaya maglalagay tayo dyan ng all-purpose flour, ground black pepper, and salt to taste. Tapos haluin lang natin para ma-mix siya dun sa butter. Yung para tayong gumagawa ng roux. Then ilalagay na natin yung beef stock. Sinala ko to kanina after pakuluin para hindi sumama yung mga scums. Yung paglagay ng stock mga katipsy, dahan-dahan lang, no, para matansya natin. Kasi pag nabigla natin yung dami, baka naman lumabnaw yung sabaw. Kasi yung gagawin nating sauce or gravy, dapat syempre medyo malapot. So halu-haluin nyo muna, pag medyo kulang, dagdagan nyo na lang ng beef stock. Ito optional, maglalagay tayo ng cubes pero kalahati lang para mas ma-enhance yung lasa ng beef. Dagdag lasa, mga 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. At pampakulay natin at added flavor, mild soy sauce. Kasi syempre yung gravy is kulay brown yan eh. So itong soy sauce yung pampakulay natin. Mild lang yung ginamit ko syempre para hindi umalat. Tapos pakuluan lang natin to at continuous sa halo hanggang sa makuha natin yung texture ng lapot na gusto natin. At kapag nakuha na natin yung lapot na preferred natin, pwede na nating ilagay itong mga burger steak. Yung iba hinihiwalay nila yung beef sa sauce para depende syempre sa kumakain. Pero sa episode na to, pagkasamahin natin. Tapos pang garnish natin, mag-slice tayo ng parsley, syempre para may konting RT. Syempre mga katipsi, pagdating sa pagkain, looks is flavor. Ayan, sobrang bango na naman at okay na tong burger steak natin. Mga katipsi, luto na tong burger steak natin. Tara! Boom! Ayan mga katipsi, luto na ang burger steak natin. Pero hindi ito yung parang sa Jollibee mga katipsi, medyo in-enhance natin ng konti. Ayan, kasama ulit natin, syempre my brother, Junior, and my mother.
As always.
Yeah, so we're just gonna taste it now. Yung usually dito sa Amerika mga katipsi, yung mga burger steak sa mashed potato nilalagay. Pero tayo, syempre sa kanin.
And they call it American
Salisbury steak.
Salisbury steak.
Okay. Oh.
So how do you make this?
The patty? Let's put some seasonings in it.
And how did you make the gravy?
Yeah. The gravy? I boiled the beef bones.
Oh, okay,
Beef
broth. Okay.
bones, so that the
broth.
broth stock. I make a stock. Beef stock.
Did you just already have this as a patty, or did you just make the ground beef
I
first?
made the patty.
Okay.
No, but from the scratch, right?
No, from the start.
From the-
Yeah, not bad, right?
That's really good.
Good?
I like the gravy, yeah.
Oh, sarap mga lips eh. Ito ka yung samba.
Kambole.
Kasi yung mga seasoning ni Mama dito, ito, marami siyang seasoning dito eh. Kaya may nakita ko yung hindi ko mabasang sauce, Worcestershire. How do you pronounce it? Worcestershire sauce?
Oh, oyster sauce?
Oyster sauce, there you go. I put oyster sauce on the sauce as well.
Okay.
Is it Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah, it's like a
Start
weird
with the
word.
W, right?
The sauce that you can...
It's like Worcester or Worcester. Or...
And they're good.
That's good. Sarap mga lips eh.
Oh.
Mas magalap to kasi sa Jollibee. Because I said to my intro, because in the Philippines, bro, we have the #1 fast food, Jollibee. They serve this, a burger steak. It's famous as well.
But is it cooked anywhere else? Like, is there a specific region it's cooked?
Mostly, we'll just see it in the Philippines, mostly in Jollibee.
Oh,
There
really?
are some restaurants that serve it, but it's not really...
Oh, only in Jollibee?
Mostly on Jollibee. Di ba mga tips sa Pilipinas, usually sa Jollibee ka lang talaga makakain ng burger steak. Meron din yung ibang restaurant, pero hindi madalas.
But
Oh,
I thought Jollibee is only for chicken.
No, they got
Chicken
other stuff. They
joy,
got
chicken
spaghetti and
joy.
stuff.
Ah.
So there's no like specific tradition around it at all? Okay.
I think because this is an American food, and they just copy it and they make it like a simple way, simple dish in the Jollibee, and it's become famous.
Okay.
But I think this is American food.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure, but I think
It's really good.
because it's steak,
Or
it's
it
good.
could be Germany. Could be.
Masarap mga katibis kapag yung sabaw ng buto-buto ilagay nyo para talagang enhance yung lasa. Pero if nagmamadali kayo, kahit water lang, kasi timplahan nyo lang. You can do water. Pero syempre, if you have time, like ako, marami akong time pa. I boiled the bones. So I made beef stock. If you made it from bones, it's called stock. If you made it from meat, it's called broth. That's the difference. So since we use bones, beef stock ang tawag lang. Yan, tips ni Tata.
Oh, yeah.
I know that too.
It's really good.
It's good, yeah.
Reminds me of back in college.
Oh, really?
This is what I used to have to eat back in college, or after I graduated when I lived in Arizona. I used to eat a lot of Salisbury.
Itong ano mga katipsi, itong this the patty. When you cook it, just make sure you just cook it in a medium heat, 4 to 5 minutes each side. Yeah, don't overcook it because it tigas. Because it's beef.
How long did it take to finish this?
This is a fast recipe. I think I finished. If you're not gonna shoot it or video it, I think just 15-20 minutes you're done.
Cool, okay.
Preparation is the longest.
Preparation.
Cooking, da. But then eating, it takes only a few seconds.
Yeah, look at it.
You're done. There's rice there. You can,
We just ate two.
you have to take out, man. You have to.
Yeah, I'll take some.
It's good. You like it?
I really liked it.
Really?
Yeah. That's really good. Yeah.
Let's go. Ito talaga tsamba mga tips kasi hindi ko tinikman talaga kanina, sabi ko. Tansyahin ko na lang.
Yung naman.
Bahala na sila maghusga. Okay. Yung mustard, optional lang yun if you want to put mustard in ketchup. Pero try nyo, masarap siya.
Interesting.
Kasi, yung last vlog natin, di ba nagluto si Mama? Yung gumawa siyang potato salad, nakita ko nilagyan niya ng mustard.
Mustard naman ang important.
Mustard. And sarap. Kaya sabi ko, try ko lagyan ng mustard yun. Masarap na.
Oh, you never eat mustard na?
Ano yung mustard?
Oh,
Mustard
okay.
On the food?
Burger.
Ah.
May bread. Ano yun? Sarap nga. Tinry ko lang. Ketchup and mustard. Kasi nga burger, di ba sa burger ilalagay natin yun? Kasi burger steak. Ang good. Okay. And yung meat niya.
Pangalawang plato na siya.
Yeah. Yung meat niya mga katipsi, hindi siya overcooked. Yan. Kasi 4 to 5 minutes lang each side. Para hindi siya mag-burn sa loob. Yan, medium heat lang. Para hindi Pero ang gusto ko talaga matikman ulit, niluto ng potato salad na. Aray, the potato salad. I think I dreamed last night that I'm eating potato salad.
Did you eat it all?
No, I just eat the one that, because there's no one left.
There's no more left?
When I woke up the next day, I looked in the fridge.
No more left?
No more left.
Oh, man.
Potato salad.
That would have been a good combo with this.
Oh, yeah.
Because you can put that in there and then you put the gravy on top
Right.
of the potato salad.
Kasi sa Amerika mga katipsi dito, hindi kanin eh. Mashed potato talaga. Gagawa sana ako pero siyempre Pinoy tayo eh. Yung gusto talaga natin kanin. But yeah, you're right man. This is a great combination.
I like the gravy. You can try to put that gravy on some other stuff.
Right.
Oh, you make your own gravy, right? From the scratch.
It's all from this bread.
I remember Mom growing up, she used to have that a lot with rice, and it's always her hand.
And then my feet is
Yeah.
up.
Oh yeah, that's a Filipino way.
That's when I used to be skinny. Now I can't even get up.
It makes the food taste better if
Yeah.
you put your feet
Put
like
your-
that.
And you go like this.
Sarap naman mga tips, subukan nyo, madali lang siyang gawin kasi
Yeah.
nakita nyo naman, di ba, ang dali lang, basic lang. Isa sa mabilis na dish, masarap. Kung may time kayo, I suggest use the beef bone, make a beef stock
Yep.
to make it taste better. But if you don't have time, you can just add water.
I think the butter was a good idea.
And use butter, not oil sa
That's
pagprito.
true.
So mga tips again, road to 100,000 subscriber
We're
tayo.
almost there, right?
Almost there, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing great now.
Hopefully by June, makuha na natin.
Yeah.
June also reached the more than 1,000 subscriber. But before, ano lang siya, 1,000 to 100 to 200. I think before, right?
I was like 70.
Yeah, 70 lang siya.
Really, now it's like 1,000 subscribers. So,
Over
mga Team
1,000.
C, yung mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, mag-subscribe din kayo sa channel ni Junior. Ang nalagyan natin dito sa baba.
Yung mga game niya.
Yeah. And we also have a Facebook page. Lagi ko nakakalimutan banggitin. We have a Facebook page, the Tipsy Tata page. Some people ask me, where can I message you? We have a Facebook page. You can message us there. Masarap ba? Okay.
Sarap po.
Let's see, it's gone again.
Dalawang plato na siya. Ako, kuha pa ako. Tapos ito. Mga Tipsy, ganito lang muna yung video sa atin. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And sa mga nagtatanong about kay Dad, andun siya. He's there. Yeah, hindi na siya masyado, kasi medyo diet kasi dad sa food, kaya hindi na siya masyado makakasama.
Nasa tabi-tabi lang.
Kaya tabi-tabi lang siya. Again, yung hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tapos, i-ring nyo na rin yung bell para updated kayo sa food and good vibes natin. Ting! And always remember, stay tipsy lang. Salud!
Ay mga tipsy, para sa bonus clip natin, kakain tayo. Today is Saturday. Tama ba? Yeah, today is Saturday. So tayo kakain ma.
Ako sa
May bago na naman tayong kakainan. Del's Hideout.
Del's Hideout.
Kakain tayo dito sa Del's Hideout. Nakatikman natin kung masarap yung pagkain nila. Let's go! Hey bro, have you eaten here before?
No, never
This is
have.
your first time?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you ma?
First ever.
That's first time
Never
as well?
been here before.
Well,
It's really nice.
First time natin lahat.
We're gonna
It's a nice
try
little
this.
spot. Like it's kind of hidden in the mountains and stuff.
Yeah, tabi siya ng bundok eh. Maganda yung place. Okay yung place, maganda yung ambience. Tignan natin yung pagkain.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's fast.
Turog sa sobrang lambot.
Sarap din ba?
Harap. Trip mga tipsy.
Sarap din siya. Good. Sarap.
It's tough to find a good dish. It's not really good.
Yeah, sobrang lambot ng brisket nila.
Let me try it first.
I-try natin tong pulled pork daw. Okay. Turbid brisket to naman. Pulled pork daw tawag dito.
The good thing with the party of four
Sarap
is
din. Kampiyon. Try naman natin to chicken.
Sarap na.
Chicken. Kasi kompleto ito mga katipsi. May pork, brisket, beef brisket, tapos chicken.
Sarap din eh.
Sobrang lambot. Sarap
Mm,
mas
good.
potato nila, lagyan natin ng gravy. Kasi may
The
part
chicken
na
is
gravy
good.
to eh.
So with that, there's a lot of
Mm.
a lot of 5 stars. You know?
Halo.
Four,
Lahat
five
ng
stars.
lahat ng in-order namin sarap.
Tapos na tayo kumain at para sa akin, isa to sa pinakamasarap na restaurant na nakainan ko dito sa San Diego.
One of the best barbecue place dito. Nasa Mission Valley tayo. Waring Road.
Good. You like it? Yeah. Dad's favorite is Impossible Burger. And it passed his taste.
It was good. I really liked it. I'll come back for sure.
If i-rate mo sa Yelp to ma, ilang star?
5.
Okay.
They're good. They're very good.
5 din ako, so i-rate natin kasi si Mama mahilig yung mag-rate sa Yelp.